As we've got a fair bit of a drift going, we use a slightly heavier Savage Gear sand eel, so about 120 grams, up tide. Getting down here a bit better. Stopped. So,
is he talking to himself? Oh!
Oh, it stopped. One on there. Oh. Come on. Come on. There he is. Bit of extra colour. Come on. Woo. See if we can get another one. Does seem to be one or two down there, doesn't there?
There is, yeah.
That's one mark.
I reckon they must be going 12, 14 pounds on them today.
There, yeah. Most of them are nudging double figures. Aren't they? Gotta be.
Oh, they're not far under the boat. When you get in. Oh. Come on. I wonder if the other guys are getting them.
I don't know.
I think they are.
They must be.
Might not. I don't know.
Baby. Calm down. Ah.